Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage date and time settings on XIAOMI Book S. To do this, first we'll need to open our start and the settings. Inside, navigate to the time and the language, select date and time, and right here you'll be able to activate set time zone automatically as a first option. You can turn it on and off. If it's off, you'll be able to change the time zone manually. If it's on, you can't. Next is set time automatically, that we can activate or deactivate. Also, when it's deactivated, you can change date and time manually. And I strongly recommend leaving it on, but in this case, let's just turn it off. Just to show you, we can click on that change button. That way you can change a month, day and a year. Also time in hours and time in minutes. Now let's click on change, or actually let me just change the year as well. And that would be all of the settings. There's also sync now. In case you have some synchronization problems with the time, you can click on it to synchronize all of the time settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.